Glad you're here today. Made it just in time. We're changing out the engine mount protector for a Honda Goldwing 2008. Let me flip you around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're changing out this piece right here. See how it's getting rust on it and stuff? I'm going to show you how to replace it. You come to this side. I've already put the new ones on this side. But now let's go back to the other side and I'll show you how to take off the cover so you can access the 3 bolts to change that out. Okay, so right here's the side. You got 2 nuts right here you got to take off. That it is a metric 10. Don't know if you can see that, but that's what we're using. So let me take out those 2 bolts. To get those 2 out right here at the very front, let me see if I can get in there. There's a bolt right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. You got to take that off to get this off. So let's take it off. And once I got that nut out, you see it just fell right off. Okay. So right down here, oops. You got 2 nuts, one right there and one right there, which is a 12 millimeter. And then you got one right up here that I'll show you in just a second. Okay, so we got it off. Now you just put it back up, then put the 3 bolts in there. And I'll be back in a second.